Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to fund Bitcoin.com wallet. Bitcoin.com itself isn't a platform that needs funding in the traditional sense. However, if you're looking to fund your Bitcoin.com wallet to buy cryptocurrencies, here is how you can do it. Open up your Bitcoin.com wallet app, and once you are logged in, tap on the Buy Now button at the top of the screen. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase on the next page under Select Assets. Select any one cryptocurrencies you want to purchase, and once you do that, choose the amount of cryptocurrency you are trying to buy. You can type it down in the BTC field. If you want to change your fiat currency, you can tap on the USD drop-down, which is default at the top right, and select a different cryptocurrency. After choosing a cryptocurrency and entering your amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy, tap on Continue at the bottom and select your desired payment method. You can choose credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or payment app depending on your location. After you are completed with these steps, you will then be able to fund your Bitcoin.com wallet with the chosen cryptocurrency. So that is how you fund your Bitcoin.com wallet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.